Hello guys, it's your boy Sidako and this is Sidako Tech Lab. Today I'm bringing to your doorstep a very new and genuine wallet that helps you to deal with all your crypto and also help you to manage your currencies and etc. This particular wallet is what you call Coinpocket. It's the new-ish in town. So guys, without wasting much time, stick and stay. I will be back for more. Time of watching my video, make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit on the notification bell to get notified of any video I upload, and hit on the like button. Make sure you also comment under the comment section, and note that all your comments and likes are really something that matters most to me. So without wasting much time, this is the app that we are going to discuss today. We call this Coinpocket. You understand? It says a Coinpocket is a decentralized wallet that integrates quantitative investment and intelligent financial management. So basically this is about the Coin wallet. So a Coin wallet is actually a wallet that integrates quantitative investment and intelligent financial management. And the introduction is that it has its headquarters in California, which is US, and it is built by Coinpocket team and top quantitative institutions on Wall Street. The Coinpocket has the functions of storage, transaction, and transfer of more than 100 mainstream digital assets in the world. Wow. And it has the characteristics of security, reliability, and stability. That is all we need, guys. It's all about how you be able to get security. You should get a wallet that is reliable. You should get a wallet that is also very stable. And I bring to you Coinpocket, where you'll be able to invest, put in your money, and earn a lot of money within this year. This year is 2022, so you must actually make word in making a lot of money for yourself. So the product is Coinpocket wallet can provide asset management and trading services for users' digital assets. Users' digital assets are safely stored in the blockchain. All operations are only affected by users' operation to ensure the security of digital assets. So as I said, your security is genuinely secured. You don't have any problem. It has an open source plan, which has an aligning platform, and they have a strategy code with smart contract to also facilitate your global developers to develop DApp based on Coinpocket or access external DApp through API. They have a flash exchange. They also have intelligent financial management. You understand? They have people who actually go through the risk, teach you, give you the headlines of what you need to do to earn a lot of money for yourself. They have global developer program. So as I said, global means it is worldwide. So wherever you are, you'll be able to involve yourself into this Coinpocket wallet. So there's a profit model here, and there's investment strategy, and there's also profit method. You can go through their website and check out all this information, read them, and then get more insight about Coinpocket. So guys, without much ado, I'm going to take you through how you'll be able to get registered, and make sure you also start using this Coinpocket wallet. So all that you need to do right now is you need to go to Play Store. You can even tap from here, but I have a link in my description. Make sure you check the link, tap on the link. It will take you to Play Store, download the app from there, and then let's get started. So you have to go to your Play Store. So I'm going to launch my Play Store right away, and then I will type in Coinpocket. So just type it, and so you type the Coinpocket, and then you install the app. I already have the app on my mobile device. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to open the app from Play Store, and this is the overview or the interface of the wallet. So after you open the I'm just going to sign out from my account for you to know. So after you actually open the wallet or the app after installing, just come to this section. So you come here and then you tap on it, and then you select your country code. I am in Ghana, so I'll pick +233. Then I'll enter my number. You understand? So after entering your number, you go to register an account. So if you are new, you just tap on 233, you enter your number, and then you put in the invitation code. You put in the invitation code. The invitation code is on the screen right now, or you check in the description. You just enter the invitation code here, and then when you are done, you tap on next step. But I have the account already, so what I'm going to do is I will just click on next step because I want to log in, and then you get an SMS verification code. So that is it. I will just make sure you save your verification code. It's very important. Don't show it to anyone for security reasons, and then you log in. So this is the interface of the app, guys. So I'm just going to sail you through all the app. So we have all the available currencies here. We have the USD, we have the Theta, we have Bitcoin, we have Ethereum, we have Polkadot, we have Litecoin, a whole lot of currencies here. And then we have various ways that you'll be able to recharge your coin. So you'll be able to make a deposit into any of your account. You understand? So that is another process. And then you can also withdraw. As I told you, it is security conscious. So anywhere you tap being recharged, they will send you a code and then you follow. So they also have a team here where you'll be able to invite friends and earn as well. Guys, this is a genuine way of making money. So you build a team, and then you earn a lot of cash. As far as your friends keep on trading and using the wallet, you earn a lot of cash on Coinpocket. And then there's also your wallet here, as I said earlier. So we have USD here, we have the Theta, we have Bitcoin, and etc. So however you want to use it, you'll be able to make transactions and buy stuff or buy cryptocurrencies using the Coin wallet. So guys, if you want to withdraw any amount, what they do is that they will send you a password, a code for you to be able to set a password for your withdrawal. So as I said, it is security conscious. It is no joke. So they will send you a code for you to be able to enter before you try to set a password for your withdrawal request. And then if you also want to make recharge, the same thing, a code will be sent to you before you can make a withdrawal. So guys, this is all about Coinpocket. There's more into it. You just have to go to the website, check in the description below, and then know more about it, especially the market. If you want to do USD, we have 15% estimated monthly income here. We have 15 days, which is 25%. We have 30 days, which is 35%. 45 days, which is 45% estimated monthly income. You understand? So cool rate here. And then we have 60 days, which is estimated monthly income. You can also do the USDT, which is also the same thing. It follows the same procedures and etc. So the guys, that is all for the Coinpocket. Make sure you check the description, get the links, and then install, and let's roll, get more money in this particular year. Thank you for watching. It's your boy Sidako, and I'm out. Bye.